Hi everyone, and I'm pretty excited to share with you that we were invited to the exclusive Malabars event where Kareena Kapoor is going to show up. Chet, say hi. I am pretty excited, and this is being held in Novotel Convention Hall. So, you'll also have a glimpse of how the Novotel Convention Hall looks like. We have almost arrived at our destination, and guys, maybe manifestation does work because last time my sister was telling that hope we meet next time Kareena Kapoor, as today we are clicking pictures in front of her banner. And guess what? We are at this event. Pretty exciting, right? As we entered the premises, we see the staff were on their toes to ensure that everything was going smoothly. And look at my mom and sister being so cute. So, firstly, we received our entry bands. I guess we were a bit early, but that also helped us to avoid much crowd and click pictures peacefully. So, it's a win win, right? Here is the red carpet movement that we had. We clicked pictures. This is the convention hall. It's pretty huge. And not only us, there were many famous Instagram influencers here. And you must be knowing the song "Ee Manasuku Teliyade Teliyade." Okay, I don't want the copyright strike, so I won't sing it. But yeah, so in that there was this girl called Nayani Pavni. She walked past me and I barely recognized her. If not, I would have definitely clicked a picture with her for sure. And also the Teliye De hook step. So before the event start, they were playing really good Kareena Kapoor songs, but which I can't play here. Copyright, YouTube's please हटा दो ना ये हमारे व्लॉग्स के लिए सब अच्छे चटपटे गाने तो बजे. एंड यहाँ पे रेड लाइटिंग के साथ नैना दा कहना गाना भी बज रहा था तो मस्त लग रहा था.
Is this for your YouTube video?
Yes, this is for my YouTube.
Did you just reveal the secret to them?
Not yet, but maybe. Until we meet her.
दूर रखना चाहिए. And then you'll have to talk like that.
I hope we meet the special someone we are waiting for. मतलब देखने को मिल जाएंगे पास से, but I am not sure he will be able to get a picture.
So I think this is for those people, who used to ask like, yeah, what's your name? When I used to be like, what, I'm Tanisha Kapoor. Like, oh, you're from Kapoor family, and I used to
तो
get so
हम
much
बुला
proud.
रहे हैं किसी को कपूर खानदान से.
Chalo, let's rock Kapoor family.
Recording all the new
glorious evenings I have seen, and this is something which is absolutely impeccable.
And here comes the spotlight of the evening for who everyone was dying to meet. None other than Kareena Kapoor Khan. जब भी मेट की गीत हो या बेबो. She is really, really gorgeous in real life. I don't know who are those people who are posting her photos where she looks like old, wrinkly. But no, she was so fair, so good, so beautiful. Like you can't even tell. I think it's all fake PRs that are doing this.
Who doesn't know Kapoor's, right? I think eventually I just followed my heart, and that led me to the movies because that's what I wanted to do always. And I think you chose the best career. Pick any three people, and you can ask nice, good questions you feel like. So you can be here and you can answer the question you're going to ask. And I would like to pick from here the women who's wearing the black color sari. Yes, ma'am. Could you please stand up?
Thought that I'm going to ask question to Kareena. So hi Kareena ma'am, this is Tanisha Kapoor. Yeah, so people used to ask me, Kareena Kapoor is your elder sister or something, and I think now I can tell you.
No, now you can say she's my younger sister.
Oh God, definitely. And you know that मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. I think अभी तक मैं अपनी favorite थी, but the moment I saw you, oh God, you're so beautiful.
Thank you so much.
So coming to my question, I would definitely like to ask you, like, you have been an inspiration to so many people. And I just want to ask you, like, what inspire you to be an actor, a mother, and all the relationships? You know, like a woman can handle so many things altogether, and your fitness also. So could you just tell something about that?
I think a woman can always multitask. She always can do different things. A woman is someone who can handle every situation, whether she's a mother or she's a wife. That's same. Like as a chore, I look at it like I love it. I enjoy doing it. So when you enjoy doing it, I think it just flows and it just happens. So for me, every day is a blessing, and I think every girl should have that attitude that every day is just a blessing to be there.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Come on,
Have a lovely
everybody.
day.
A big round of applause. That's a beautiful answer, and we present to you the most awaited one and only Anika right onto the forum side. Team, can we play the AV, please? I was just looking at your eyes, Karina, and it's true that diamonds are girls' best friend. You know, like the sparkle, the happiness just comes on your face. This is Malabar Family.
And with a heavy heart, I must say it was her time to leave, but we did had great fun in the meantime she was here. But the show must go on, so here was a few ramp walk section, and then we proceed to dinner. I didn't had any energy left to shoot that, and yes, that's how we conclude a great evening. Now we are heading back to our itinerary. But before I end this video, I really want to thank Malabar Gold and Diamonds for hosting us and Kareem Bhai for inviting us in this event, and hope in future there are many more to come. So bye guys, see you until my next vlog. And if you like content like this, please like, share and subscribe.